Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to install and configure phpmyadmin. First of all, I'll install the repforge repository, and to do so you will go to this website over here, repoforge.org/use. So first, to choose which one of those, I will do two things. Here in the shell I will type first of all cat and then /etc/redhat and then -release and enter. And this is to display for you the release of your operating system. Here you have CentOS release 6.5 final. So now we know that we will be choosing from here. The second step is to know your processor architecture, and you will type uname and then -a and enter. And we can see here that your process architecture is 86_64. This means that your system is 64-bit. So we will be choosing this one over here, 86_64. I will copy the link address and I will get back here. The next step will be rpm, typing the command rpm -uvh, and notice that the U must be capital, and then I'll paste the link, and by this command I will install the repoforge repository and I'll press enter. It has successfully installed the repoforge repository right now. Okay, the next step will be the installation of phpmyadmin. So I will type yum install and then phpmyadmin and enter. It will now start the installation, and this may take some time, so I will pause the video. Okay, now I will press on Y to continue and enter. It will start downloading the packages. It's now starting the installation of the packages. You can see here that the package phpmyadmin has successfully been installed. Okay, now the next step will be editing the phpmyadmin configuration file to allow access to phpmyadmin from a remote connection. To do so, I will type nano/etc/httpd/conf.d and then /phpmyadmin.conf and enter. Okay, from here I'll add the IP of my computer. I'll get down here to allow from, and next to this number over here, sorry about that, next to this number, in here I will type the IP of my computer so that I can access phpmyadmin. It will be 192.168.1.3, and then I will save. Okay, now to the next step, we will be editing in another file. It will be nano user /share /phpmyadmin /config.inc.php and enter. From here I'll get down to this line over here, and this word over here, cookie, I will change it to h HTTP, and then I'll save, and I'll restart the Apache service and enter. Oh, sorry about that. And here it will be HTTPD and enter. You can see now it's successfully restarted. I will now open the browser and I will type the IP number 192.168.1.110 and then /phpmyadmin and enter. It will ask me for the username and the password. The username will be the root, and of course the password will be the root password. And then click on login, and you can see here that I have successfully accessed into phpmyadmin. And of course from here, phpmyadmin, you manage the MySQL, and you can add another user with another password that can access phpmyadmin as well. And by this lesson we have learned how to install phpmyadmin. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.